Okay, good morning. My name is Vincent. This is Setia Alam hiking. So this is after 1 year, I came back here again with my friends. They all see my video and they feel excited. Want me to guide them again. So okay, we shall see got any different or not this time. The entrance still look the same. Have to go through this holding, the gate. Wow, after 1 year, I think the project was been abandoned already. Used to be supposed to be build a terrace house, but it seems to be stopped already. So I think it will be still the same. Oh, my group of friends haven't hiking started yet. Now already talking about food already. They don't know where to go to eat already.
Because it's food, not hiking.
Sorry, it's not a halal food. Okay, now we start to go in from B. As you can see, it's B. Start going in. Go to the usual slope. Go up. Hello, Victor Ko.
Hello.
Actually now it's 7, I think before 7:30. As you can see, it's still quite dark. Wow, I think I'm the youngest one here already. I'm 40 plus only.
Are you the youngest?
Yeah, lor.
You are the youngest.
Don't look down the people here, no.
Among us, you are the youngest.
All 50, 60 plus already. Aiyo.
Myself, if I was celebrate birthday,
Still can cycling.
see people offering
For us, easily 60%.
nice set.
Is imported.
So actually we are almost go to the second point. On the way back, you will see the sign Coma and Exit B. According to the map, sorry, just now at the point 1 I didn't snap some video. We are starting from B and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the peak, and then coming down we will go to the A2 and then A1 exit. So today is a small round only because some of them might not have a good stamina. So today is only light exercise only. Now we are at the slope of the loose rock. On previous video, actually I came from opposite way. That means A1, A2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So today is the other round. See? Loose rock. Pig garden. Heading to the pig garden. Okay. Now we are at point 3. Want to hit point 4? This is a loose rock going down here on previous street. So now we go to the third. That side is exit E.
睇下先，俾上翻氣先。哇 ，posting so like model like that.
You ask Joy lah, not me lah. Ah.
Start going.
I don't know. Why you say me?
I see the light inside you, brighter in the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.
Came up from point 3. Now point 4 now. So after go out, we'll be at the peak there already. After flying my drone, now I continue to the part 4. On previous trip, I never record any drone view, but this time coming, I have. But not much changing compared 1 year ago. On previous trip, this tree looked like a haunted tree. Remember? Masterpiece. Point number 5. Yeah. Okay.
This is called Peak Garden.
We reached the peak. Yes, peak garden.
Beautiful. Ada durian lah.
No durian.
Nasi lemak pondok.
No. Musang King. No.
There's a pondok there.
There's the toilet. Want to go toilet?
Careful. Inside it's a resident of snake.
Got snake.
Itu ada nasi lemak.
Oh, betul makan nasi lemak oh.
Masak lah.
Oh,
Nasi panas oh.
sedapnya.
Hangat tali padan oh.
Tak. Yang hangat dia punya badan lagi apa ni?
Hanya sedap.
X-ray I sudah nampak ini nasi.
Betul lah.
Betul lah.
Sebab tu saya kalau naik memang saya bawa.
Air tambah nasi lemak mau saja. Okay, it's very hazy. Our national flag. I'm from Malaysia. Okay, the topic number 5. We are not heading further inside. We will come down, go this way, and go back.
Dia mai custom check tengok. Ada nasi lemak kah?
Oh, tak ada.
Lagi ada apa? Coklat ada kah?
Tak ada.
Tak ada. Okey. Ini anak Along. Along. Dia bully orang
I penat naik ni pagi-pagi you dah suruh I makan nasi lemak.
Bukan, ambil ni nasi lemak. Kamu bagi makan custom. Bayar cukai. Apa dekat ni apa?
Gaduh pasal nasi lemak.
Nanti di
The snack are just on top there. What fruit is this? Beware, got snake. There's commonly here have viper here. A lot of viper snake.
cable。我諗住係 cable 線嚟嘅，係喺度 posting 緊。冇留我自己喺後邊。
我做 zipper, don't worry. Okay, now we're heading to A2 now. This girl use me as a shade, you know. Got a
Size.
fat
Kayu
and
barak.
big size kayu
Kayu
barak.
kayu walking kayu barak.
I back with two couples, so wow, very good chatting there now. Oh,
Kayu barak.
kayu barak. Hi, when I can get thin, grow thin, have to exercise some more.
The bamboo in front.
Bamboo. I cannot stand beside the bamboo. I will look more fat.
Lady, very fair.
Wow, this sexy lady, oh. 60 like oh. Not. Okay, after came down, we come to the exit A. Exit A. So we're going this route now. Okay, now we reach A2. Here, later on we'll go out already. Today is a very short trip only. As long all are happy. Probably on another trip, I'll go to the other road. Actually, had been promised before last year ago. but didn't go lor. So I will go lah. Give me some time. I will arrange to go to the second road and the third road. Yeah, I will update you all. Well, that's all. The downside is construction site. So that's all I can share today. So if you like my channel, please give a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.